International 584.
It shows 1,192 hours, and I believe those to be
Might be correct. Yeah. International 584
was sent over to Mower on Tuesday or Wednesday, and Mike and I came over and put the key in it, and it started right up.
Started right up, guys, on
Tuesday. With any ether or anything. I think it was Wednesday, and we pulled all the equipment out with it. We'll sell the tractors, and what we'll do is we'll catch that trailer, and you go right around that, and then we'll just catch that stuff right out here. Okay.
All right. You're buying the International 584.
I think when I ran this here, it's in 1980.
1980.
Yeah.
All right. Now to get so to give $8,000 diesel, little diesel, guys. 584. So to give $8,000. And to give $4,000 again. $4,000. $5,000. To get a 5. And to give it a bin 4. To give it a bin 4. To give 5. To get $4,500. And to give 45. Now 5.
Yes.
55. 55. Now $6,000. Gonna be $6,000. I'm a 6. 6 to be 55. Now $6,000. Now 6. To get $6,000. I'm a 6,000. To get 2.5. 62.5. Now 5. 65. And to get 5. 65, 67.5, 67.5. Now 5, 67.5. I'm a 65, 7.5, 65. Now 67.5,
nice little tractor.
7.5, 5, 7.5. I'm a 65, 7.5, 65. Now 7.5. I'm a 65, 7.5, 65. 7.5, 65, 7.50. Yes, sir. 65, 7.5, 67.5, 7. 7. 7 to be 65. Now 7. Now 2.5, 72. 2.5. I'm a 72. 2 to get down 2 to get 72. 5. And you have it in 5, 575. 575. 75. Nice little tractor. 7,000. 75. And you have it in 775. Now 75. 72.5. 72.5. And you need to get 7,000. 2.5. Give me 2.5. 72. And you have it in 72.5.
Did I say it had rubber on it?
Yeah, tired up, everything.
Tired up.
72.5. $7,000. 72.5. Pretty nice little tractor. 72.5. 72.5. And you can have it in 2.5. Had to be in 72.5. You can get on 7 times to get on. 72.5. Sold it $7,000. Put them on buyer number 55. Bid number 55. Do you want to catch the picker and the wagon right here too? While we're right here. Okay. All right. I'll sell you. Anybody want to buy the metal and everything off? I'll sell you all the metal on top. Buying all the metal. Some to get $200, give 100. And to get $50. Let me give $25 for everything on top. 25. Give 10. Let me give 10. 5. Okay. 5. 5, 10. $5 for all the metal on top. 5, 10, and everything. Wood. $5, 10. And to get 10, 10 to be. If I get on to get up 10, 10 to be. And to get up 10. And to get 10, 10, 10 to be. And to get 10, 10 to be. $5. Now 10. If I get on to get on to get 10. And to get 10, 10, 10 to be. $5 now 10. If I get 10, sold it. $5, number 39. Number 39. Now I'll say the flatbed wagon. Buying a flatbed wagon. Now to get here to get on to get $500 to get on 2. And to get 2 to be. So to get $200. You to get on to get on 2 to be. To get 50 to get 75. And now 75 and I'm going to be 100 now. I'm going to get a quarter, 1 1/4, 1 1/4. I have 1 1/4, quarter to bid, 1 1/4 half. I'm at 1 1/4, 1 1/2 and 75 and now 2. And to get 2 to bid, now quarter. Now to get quarter to bid, and then to get half, 2 1/4 half. And to get a quarter, now to have it bid, 2 1/4, to have it bid, 2 1/4, to have it bid, 2 and to get half. Now to get a quarter to get half. And to get down to get have it bid, 2 1/4, 2 1/2 and 75 and 275. 2 to get 3. And to get 3 to get 4, to get a half, 3 1/4 half, 3 1/2, 3 to get half. And to get 3 1/4, to have it bid, quarter half, and to bid, 3 1/4, 3 1/2. I'm at a quarter, have it a bid and quarter, so to have it a bid, 3 1/4, to have it a bid, 3 1/4, 3 1/2, and anything else, 3 1/2, 75, 375, 375, you get 60, 360, 375, 375, 375, 375. I'm at 360, you get 75 to get down, you get 75 to get 75, 375, sold at $360, number 112, number 112. Now you got a little one-row international picker. Little international one-row picker. All right, here, to get $1,000, get 500 to get 5. And to have it a bid, to get 5, 5, give 5, 5, to get 25 and 50, now 50, 50, 75 and 100. I'm at 1 1/4, to bid, $100, now a quarter, 1, 1, and then to get a quarter. I want to get a quarter to bid, $100 to get a quarter. I have 1, 1, and then to get a quarter, 1 to get a quarter. And to get a quarter to bid, $100 to get a quarter, to get a quarter and a half, 1 1/2, 1 1/2, 1 1/4 half. I'm at 1 1/4 to have it a bid, quarter, have it a bid, 1 1/4 half, 1 1/4 half to get a half. I'm 1 1/4 to have it a bid, quarter, have it to bid, 1 1/4, 1 1/2. I ain't going to get out half, 1 1/2, 1 1/2. You to get 135. I'll take that from you. 135, 50, 150. I ain't 150, but you get a half. I'm the one that got to bid 135, 1 1/2.
Hey, Fred, they say corn's going up.
Yeah, 1 1/2, 1 1/2.
I sheltered it was 438.
1 1/2. 1 1/2, 135, 150. Anything else? 150, 135, 1 1/2, 1 1/2. Sold at $130, 114. All right, now buying a good.
Down the rain, it's okay. I'll take it. Hey, Hal, I think if I remember right, this is a 2012.
The 2012 Appalachian
Does have a certificate of origin.
certificate of origin.
Oh, yeah.
Tandem axle, got a spare.
I didn't advertise it with ramps, but I think those two side pieces right there come out and
They go to the Rams.
Yeah.
All right, buying the trailer here.
It's set over in the barn.
Set over in the barn, guys, over there. All right, here. Look at here. What is there now? So they get $2,000 now. So they get $3,000.
Appalachian trailer.
Appalachian trailer. So they get $3,000. And they get three to make. So they get $2,000. Get two. And they get two. So they get $1,000. $500, $600, and now $7. They get $8, $9,000. Allow 12 and a half. Then they get 12. They get 12 and they get 15. 15. They get 17 and a half. And they get down. They get 17 and a half. Down. They get 17 and a half. Now 2. And they get 2 to bid. Now they get 2 times. They get 2. And they get 18 and now 2. And they get 22 and a half. 22. 2 and a half. 22 and a half. They get 22 and a half. 2 to get 22 and a half. 3 times. They get 22 and a half. They get 22 and a half. 22 and a half. You want to get 22 and a half, sir? 22 and a half. 22 and a half. You get 21. I'll take that from you. 21, 22, 22, 23, 23. And they get 3 to bid. 23, 23. You get 3 to get on to get 3. And they get 3 to bid. And they get 3, 20. And they get 3. Then they get 3. And they get 3 to bid. 22 to get 3, 23. Do you want to do it? 23. And they get 3, 23 to get 3. And they get 3 to bid. Anything else? 22 to get 20 to get 3 to bid. Sold it. $2,200. Put them on buyer number. Oh, that is bid number 59. Number 59. I got a John
503. John Deere 503.
3-point.
Yeah.
All right, nice little bush hog here.
Unhooked it off the tractor.
Unhooked it right off the tractor.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Nothing wrong with it. Somebody get $2,000.
We ain't got the tractor.
You get $2 to bid. $400, $500, $500 to get 5. And you have it bid for 5 now, 6, and you get 7, you get 8, 8, you get 9 now, then you get 1,000, you get 1,000, you get 1,000, and you get downtown to bid 1,000, then you get 11 to bid, $11 now, 11 now, time to get 11, and you get 11 to bid, it's not a king cutter, then you get down, you get 11, and you get 11 to bid, $11, and you get 11 to get 11, and 11, and you get 11 to bid, time to get 11 to get 11 to bid, time to get 11. Sold at $1,000, sir. Thank you.
55, right?
55, number 55.
Hey, Hal, now we got one of these real good king cutter tillers.
Got a king cutter tiller. Buying a king cutter tiller, 5-foot king cutter tiller. So to get 2,000, now to get 2. And to get 2 to bid. Now 2, and to get 400, and to get 5. And to get 5 and 6, and to get 7, 7, and to get 8, 8, 9, 9, now $1,000, now 1,000. And to get 11, and to get 11, and to get down, now 11, and to get 11. And to get 11, and to get 11, and to bid. Down to get 11, now let it get 11. And to get 11, 12, 11, 12, 11, and to get down, and to get down, and to get 12. And to get 12, 12, 12, and to get 13, 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 and to get down, and to get 14, and to get down, and to get 15. And now 16, and to get 16, and to get 16, and to get 16, and to get 16, now to get $1,600. I am 15, 16, 16, and to get 16, and to get 16, and to get down 16, 15, 16, sold it $1,500.
80.
Number 80. Thank you, guys. Number 80.
I put there.
The plates are in there, guys. Got the plates. 2-row John Deere corn planter. All right, buying the planter there. Now to get out in good shape. Now to get out, to get here. All right, tear down. Give out. So to give $1,000. To get out, to get 500. To get 5, 5, 6. 500. To get 6, 6 to bid. Did you say 5, 5? To get $600. I have 5, 5 to get 6, 6 to bid. 500. To get 6 and to get 7. And to get 8, 8 now 8, 8, 9, 9 now $1,000. And to get 11, 11 to bid. To get 11, to get 12, 11, 12 now 13, 13 to get 14. I have 14, 14 to get 15. To get 16. Then it gets down 17. And now 2 to get 22 and a half. 2 to get 22 and a half. And to get 20 to get 2 to have it a bid. Oh no, not for day. No, 22 and a half. No, 22 and a half. 20. That's up to you then. 22 and a half. 22 and a half. 22. You want to do it? 22 and a half. Okay. You get 21. I'll take that from you. $21. 21, 22, 22. 21 and 22, and you get 2, then you get 3 to bid. Now 23, then you get 3 to bid, then you get 3, and you get 3 to bid. 22 to get 3 to bid, and 22 to get down, to get 3 to bid. $2,200 to get 3. Sold it. $2,200. Number 71. Number 71. Yeah, I got a little packer. I'm buying a packer here. All right, here. Buying a Cultipacker. Now to get on, to get here, to get out, by the third, give it. No. Right there. Need to get here now. He's going to get $1,000. And to get $1,000, need to get 500, need to get 5 to bid, need to get 5 to bid, 5 to get on 2, $100 to get 2. Need to get 2, going to be $200, need to get 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 75, 175, 175 to get 2. And to get 2, going to be $200 now. 2, need to get 2, to bid, need to get on, need to get 2. And to get 2, to bid, need to get on, need to get 2, to get on, need to get $200 to get 2, to get 2. And to get 2 to bid, 170 to get 2. And to get 2 to bid, need to get 2 to bid, 1 2 2 170 to get 2 to get on, 2 to bid, and to get 2 to get on, need to get 2. And to get 2 to get on, need to get on 2. And to get 2 to get 185, 185, 185. I will bring it. Yeah, 185. Okay, 180 to go. Need to get 50. Need to get down. Need to get 50. Need to get 50. Need to get 185. Sold him $175. Number 114. Number 114. Got a John Deere drag bit.
And got the mud scrapers.
And got the mud scrapers. Yeah.
But I believe it need them on this farm.
I'd say so. All right, there. Need to get here to there. Now, about it there now. So to get $500. And to get a bid. Need to get 5 to bid. To get 2 to bid. To get $200. Give 100. And to get a bid. $20. 30. Need to get 30 to bid. 30. And to get 30 to bid. 20. Need to get 30 to bid. 20. Need to get down 30 to bid. 20. Need to get 30. And to get 30 to bid. $20 down. Need to get 30 to bid. Need to get 30. And to get 30. Need to get 30 down. 30. Need to get 40 down. Need to get 40. And to get 40 to bid. Need to get down. Need to get down. Need to get 40. 40 to bid. Need to get down. Need to get 40. 40 to bid. Need to get 40. And to get 40. 40 to bid. Need to get 40. 40 to bid. 30. 40. Sold it. $30. 114. 114.
John Deere 3-bottom
Got
plow.
a John Deere 3-bottom plow.
I advertised the 2-bottom when we were over there in the barn, and I found
And
something.
you found the other.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, found the other bottom. How about a John Deere? Oh, okay. Okay. Now, right there. Now, find a John Deere plow now. So to get 2,000 to get down, to get 10 to get down, 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 $1. And to get down, to get 200, to get 3, 3 to bid, to get 3, 3 to bid, and to get 3, to get 3, to get up to get 3, to get 3 to get 4, and to get 4, 4 to bid, to get 4, $300, and to get down, to get 4, 4 to bid, and to get 4 to get 4, and to get down 3, to get 4, 4 to bid, $300, to get 3.5, to get 50 to bid, to get 3 1/4, 3.5, 3.5 to get 75, 375 and 4, 4 1/4, and to get 4, and to get a quarter to bid, $400 now, $4, and to get a quarter, and to get a quarter, and to get a quarter to bid, $400 now, a quarter to bid, and 4 to get a quarter, and to get a quarter to bid, $400 now, a quarter to bid, $400 and a quarter. Sold it. $400, 114. 114.
J&M gravity bed.
I got a J&M gravity bed wagon. All right there now. Need to get 5, need to get 5. And to get 5 to bid, need to get 3, 3 to bid, 200 to get a 3. And to get 3 to bid, $200 now, need to get 300 to get a 3 now, need to get 5. And to get 2 to bid, need to get now half, 2.5, 2.5, and 75, 275. I need to get 75, 2, need to get 75, 275, now to get 275, now 3. And to get 3, need to get 3. And to get 3 to bid, 270, to get 3, now 3. And to get 3 to bid, 3 to get 3. And to get 3, 270, need to get 3 to get down, need to get 3 to get down, 3 to bid, 3 to get down, 3 to bid, 270 to get down, need to get down, 3. Sold it, $275. Number.
Get on that running gear. Oh, again here, mom, to get on that open running gear here, mom, to get on that. Something about 200. Oh, give 200 here, mom, to give 2. Hit 200 and 200 here, mom, to give $100 here, mom, to give 100. Hit $100 here, mom, to give 100 here, 10, 20. Hit 10, 20 now, to get 20 now, 30 now, to get 40 now, to get 40. Hit 40 now, to get 40. Hit 15 now, to get 60 now, to get 60 now, to get 60 now, to get 60. Hit 16 now, to get 70 now, to get 70, 80 here, mom, to give 90 now, 90. Hit $90 here, mom, to give 100 now, to give 100 here, mom, to give 100. Hit 90 and 100 now, to give $100 here, mom, to give $100. Where, mom, to give 100 now, 10. Hit 110, 20 now, to give 120. Hit 30, 130 here, mom, to give 130. Hit 130 now, to give 130 now, to give $130 here, mom, to give 40 now, 140. Hit 130, 40 now, to give 40 now, to give 140 here, mom, to give $140 good here, mom, to give 140. You bought it, $130. Put that on number 96. 96. Got a boat right here. Okay, on the boat, look in here, on the boat, and it holds water, so that means it'll float.
It was empty. We took it Tuesday. It was back in
Yeah, look in here, on the boat here, mom, to give on that. Oh, look in here, mom, to give on that boat here, mom, to give on 15. Hit 15, if it holds it, it'll float. At 10, 15, hit 10, 20, now to get 30, now to get 30, now to get 30 here, mom, to get 30, hit 30. Hit 30, 40, now to get 40, now to get $40 here, mom, to get 40. Hit 30, yep, 30, 40. Hit 30, 40, now to get 40, now to get $40 here, mom, to get $40. Where, mom, to get $40 here, mom, to get $40 and 40. You bought it, $30, number 80, number 80.
Yep.
Okay, all right, going on back.
Let's do the hay elevator way right there. Hey, it's been used 4 times.
It's been used. Looks like it's had 4 bales run up it. All right, look in here on the hay conveyor. Look in here. Mom, I'm gonna give on this one. So about 4,000. We'll give 4,000. Here's Mom, I'm gonna give 15. Now 2. Get $2,000. Here, Mom, I'm gonna give 2. 2,000. Here, Mom, I'm gonna give $2,000. Where? Hit $2,000 here, Mom, we get 2. $2,000 here, Mom, we get 2. Hit $2,000 here, Mom, we get 2. $1,750. Hit now 2. Now I'm gonna get 2,000. Now $2,250. Now I'm gonna get 25. 25, 7.5. Hit $750. Now $3,000 here, Mom, I'm gonna get 3. Hit $3,000 here, Mom, I'm gonna get 3. 28, 29. Hit 2,900 here, Mom, I'm gonna get 29. Here, Mom, I'm gonna get now 3. Hit $3,000 here, Mom, I'm gonna get $3,000. Where, Mom, I'm gonna get 3. Hit 3,000. Now I'm gonna get 3. Now I'm gonna get 3,000 here. I'm gonna get $3,000 here. I'm gonna get 3.
Hey, Ronnie, this deal set up right here over Deichman's is $6,000.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Just so you know, it's $6,000. I called over there to see how much it was, and I called because I thought about chain in another section to make this a little bit longer. Yes.
Yeah. I got 2,900. Give 3,000. Give 3. Hit $3,000 here. I'm gonna give 3,000. We'll give 3. $3,000 here. I'm gonna give 3. $3,000 here. I'm gonna give $2,000. Where I'm gonna give $3,000. You done? Hit 3,000 here. I'm gonna give 3. $3,000 here. I'm gonna give 3. $3,000. You do it. Hit 3,000 here. I'm gonna give $3,000 and 3,000 here. I'm gonna give 3. Sold it. 2,900. Put it on number 66. Number 66. Okay. Okay, got the big trailer.
Yeah, fill the post off.
Okay, find the T-post. Find the T-post.
The only thing I'm gonna say, you cannot back a truck out here on this.
You're gonna have to walk
to the driveway.
You gotta walk them out. Yep.
Yeah.
Find the T-post right there. $100 here. Find all the T-posts. 10, 15. Hit 10, 15, 20. Now I'm gonna get 20. Here, I'm gonna get 20. Hit 20. Now I'm gonna get 20. Now I'm gonna get $20 here. You got 20. Hit 20, 20, now 5, 25. Hit 25 for the post, 25 for all of them, $25. That's about $1 piece. Hit 25, here, I'm gonna get 25. Hit 25, here, I'm gonna get $25. Here, I'm gonna get 25. Hit 25, here, I'm gonna get $25. Here, I'm gonna get 25. Where am I gonna get 25? You bought them $20. 104. 104. 104.
You got a shed right here, Rodney.
You want the other two?
We sold all the posts on there.
No, you got sheds. 2 more sheds there. I don't sell all of them.
Sorry.
Okay, and
First one.
Yeah.
You can
My first day,
There you
I'll
go.
get the hang of it.
okay,
I think I'm gonna get the hang of it.
okay, buying all the sheds right here. You're right, buying them all there. Somebody about 25, get 10. We'll give 10. $10 here. 5, 5, 10. Hit 5 and on 10. 5 and on 10. $10 here. I'm gonna give 10. 5, 7.5. Hit 5, 7.5. 5 and on 7.5 here. I'm gonna give 7.50. Where I'm gonna give 7.5 here. I'm gonna give 7.5. You bought them $5. 26. 26.
Hey, Rodney, I broke it.
Oh, Joe,
Got a roll of fins.
you got the receipt and get taken back.
Hey, these are broke.
Got a roll of
I didn't broke when you sold when you bought
Like a
them.
buck.
Hey, they were broke when you bought them.
You broke them.
Got a roll of fence, Mary. Got a roll of fence here. Mom, we're giving that roll of fence back there. Roll of fence. Who am I looking here? Mom, we're gonna give about 25 here. Mom, we're gonna give 10. At $10 and 10. What do you got? 5?
We got tomato steaks and all that other fence on top of the
There's
trailer.
about 10 T-posts up here.
Those T-posts went with all the posts. I said all the posts on the trailer.
Okay, got Jack up
I
here.
did say all the posts on the trailer. Yeah, Jack goes on
Okay.
the trailer.
All right. You're buying all the fence, tomato steaks, and everything. So I give 25, give 10. Go give 10, $10, give 5. Hit 5, 5 and 1, 5 here. Give $1 for all those. $2. $2. Now I'm gonna give $2 here. Now I'm gonna give $2 here. Now I'm gonna give 2. Sold it, $1 bill, 26.
Now you got the trailer, no title.
Now the trailer, no title.
Hey,
In here, I'm gonna give it
I
that.
will take my skid loader before I leave with
And
it
get it
and
out.
put it up on the driveway.
Okay.
Okay?
All right,
Look at that.
he'll get it up on the driveway before he
like it's
pulls the
buried.
skid loader in. All right, behind the trailer there. I'll again here, Mom. I'm gonna give 100. We'll give $100 here. Mom, I'm gonna give 100 here. Mom, I'm gonna give 20, 30. Hit 30 now. I'm gonna give 30, 30, 20. Got him at 20, 20, 30. Hit 20, 30. Now 40. Now I'm gonna give now 50. Now I'm gonna give 60, 70 here. Mom, I'm gonna give 80, 90, then 100. Now 25, 125, 50, 115. Hit 115. Now I'm gonna give 75 here. Mom, I'm gonna give 175. Here, Mom, I'm gonna give 175. Hit 150, 75. Here, Mom, I'm gonna give 160. Hit 160. Here, Mom, I'm gonna give 160. Come on, it's $150, 26.